All right, vintage outboard motor fans, here we are. She's ready for the testing. It's a Restore 170, a 1956 Gale Buccaneer, 5 horsepower for James in North Carolina. I got this puppy rebuilt to the T, and I'm gonna give her the T-Mike 333. 3 shots of that, 3 shots of that, 3 pulls on the rope, 3 times. And then we're gonna see if she pops. If she pops, I'm gonna put her in the barrel and test her out. I think it's gonna be a go. This is a beautiful motor. Let's set the camera up and give her the 333. See how it goes. All right, here we go. 333. All right, got all the 3 threes done. I'm gonna go get me some gas, mixed all in a spray bottle, put it up the throat, see if she pops. Wish me luck. Okay, got my spark plugs, got my gas mixed with oil. I'll put my spark plugs in, give her 3 shots, and hopefully she'll pop. Here we go. Ooh, she popped. Popped again. She's good to go. Let's put her in the barrel and run it now. Gonna put some gas in the tank and run her in the barrel. Yes. Okay, I got her full of gas. Let's give her a start. She's in the barrel now. Let's see if she'll pump water. No, it started, but it wasn't pumping water. Oh, I still had it choked. That's why. It runs pretty good, but it ain't pumping water. And that's what Jim told me about it. Said it wasn't pumping, started pumping then stopped. And I know that gear case is pumping water in the 5-gallon bucket, but it ain't pumping water now. Must have a blockage somewhere. I got 2 problems. It's running on 1 cylinder, kicking in, kicking out, so that's a spark problem on one side, and it ain't pumping water. Well, looks like we're troubleshooting on the Gale, on the Buccaneer motor. So let's get to troubleshooting on episode 3. This was episode 2. See you on the next video. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to Team Mike's website, teammikesvintageoutboards.com, click on Team Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay Team Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, teammikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at Team Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.